business might sound really fascinating, but when it comes to real implementation, things can get really ugly, especially during those initial days, which may lead to further loss of confidence and enthusiasm. Hello viewers and welcome to Work Wednesday Sessions with Win You All. The topic for today's video is how to get those first 10 students to your coaching business. We all know that an initial boost in business plays a very vital role as it keeps us dedicated and also boosts our confidence to another level. So here I am with some amazing ideas that will definitely help you attract this initial traction and also have a successful start for your business. It might be difficult for the clients to initially trust you because you might be a new teacher or you may not have a proven track record into coaching students. You might be skilled, but the initial traction could be a pain for you. So let us go through some tips by which you can attract this initial traction. The first way is building trust. You might be very confident about the quality you can deliver, but still you need to have students to prove the same. During your initial days, you can come up with an offer like first month full fee refund if the students are not satisfied with what you are teaching. This might sound like a foolish idea in the beginning, but if you are really confident of the quality you can deliver, then this can be a great step for your success. Everyone likes a trial before investing into something new. This works for 90% of the business and has great return on investments. The second strategy is incentivize students and parents. Students in the schools and colleges get themselves easily involved in some quick cash or discount. You can use this basic human psychology to your advantage and turn into a marketing model for your business. This will help you not only in inquiry and lead generation, but will also help you to attract that initial traction which is required for building your coaching business. The third step is making your assignment and tests like huge events. Many coaching centers organize tests across the city and keep a good amount of prize money for the rankers. This might sound like a stupid idea, but then it can give you some good lead generation and can also provide you with genuine database for your business. This database can be later on targeted by you using calls or SMSs for business. The students who take part in such tests try and win the prizes set up by you. This could be a great marketing technique initially for a complete region. The fourth step is set up a social media profile and run ads in your locality. We have covered in our previous videos how to set up a social media accounts. You can refer to those videos for setting up your social media accounts initially. Facebook and Instagram are completely linked together. If you run an ad on Facebook, it will automatically help you to target the audience of the Instagram and Facebook as well and all other Facebook marketing channels. Social media is the most preferred marketing medium which comes with a bare minimum cost. So these are 4 simple tricks that can help you gain that initial traction and also create a good marketing impact with bare minimum cost. We all know that the second wave of COVID has affected us all really bad and the times have been tough. But Win You All will always be there for its clients with such information so that you don't make any wrong decisions or get coined. We ensure that we will keep coming up with such strategies that will help you make some wise marketing investments for your business. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was informative enough for you. If you liked our video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to know about something specific, then do mention in the comment section below.